Is this how you want to like?
I think it's fine. It's where you are right now.
Yeah, it definitely is. My name's Aspen Golann. Um, I'm a furniture maker. Went to North Bennett, and I'm living in Penland, North Carolina right now, which is on the western side of the state. I think the brush has been on our collective mind already for a little while. Like I feel like spoons had their day in the sun, and now it's brush's turn as far as like small accessible objects are concerned. So I'd already been thinking about them a little bit, and I had just submitted all my work for this show at Penland called At Hand, which was all about tools for everyday use, which I think is a really cool concept. And so they wanted me to make all these small things, which, wasn't previously really my bag. Like I made furniture exclusively. And so I took it as a challenge to come up with some small objects that I was still really excited about, like on a design level. So I made some weird cutting boards and some weird spoons, and then it just kind of like seamlessly moved over to brushes because I had these little handheld objects that were like really closely connected to a function. And then brushes just started to make sense, and I started getting curious about them. These are the little guys that I have on the bench right now. Like this is all formed with those rasps, and then this one, super weird.
Wow.
Like, I
Oh, I
mean,
see pinstripe. That's the pinstripe.
I was thinking about weaving, and so this is a plain weave, basically, like a little inspired plain weave. But
Wow.
it'll be like a low scrub brush because it actually, your hand fits into it like in a lot of different
Can I see the
ways.
underside where you're going to put the brush? Oh, that's amazing.
It's funny because I think I'm drawn to these small functional objects the same way I'm drawn to furniture. It's like sculptural and functional. Just because of its scale, I don't think it's any less valuable. I think there's a practicality to it as well, or at least a small object making, in that, one, very practical. It's very easy to sell small objects because you have a much wider audience. Like, there aren't a lot of people that can afford handmade furniture. I'm one of them,
Right.
But I notice that I do buy jewelry from my friends who make wonderful jewelry because it's a smaller object. It's less of a time investment. And so I can have like really lovely handmade jewelry. And so I don't know, I was interested in trying to make something that is more accessible. And I think that it makes sense for that reason. And then on another level, like playing with your material, there's nothing, at least for me, that gets me to new ideas faster than just like lighthearted playing with the material. And I can't play with furniture very easily because it's just so darn time consuming. So
Mhm.
playing with these small objects has been great.